Alright everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews. This is just a update on the Comline skimmer that I'm using. Let me show you what it looks like. Filled up with crap, with food and fish debris. Let me show you what that looks like. Let's go over here. So see, this is what it looks like. There's the controller right there. This is what I have it set on. That's my setting. I have it set right here. See? As you can see that line right there, hopefully. That's where I have it set. And this is what I'm getting out of it. Sorry. This is what I'm getting out of it. This is all the crap that's in there that's flooding in there. All the food and the debris in the water. So this is what it kind of looks like. So let me show you how I clean it and what came out of it. And this is about 3-4 days, maybe 3-4 days worth of stuff. So that's what that looks like, 3-4 days. So I could probably get another day or two out of it, but I'm just gonna clean it right now and show you guys what it looks like on this Comline protein skimmer. All right, and this is the height that I have it at. Say it, so you guys could see the height that I have the water line level at. So to get decent performance of what I'm getting, I noticed the water level has to be a good height, and this is the height that I found out that kind of works for me. So let's go over to the sink and show you what this thing looks like over here. Let me get the other thing. Alright, so I hit the cup cleaner button over there, so that turns it off for 10 minutes as the red button that you saw before in the video. That's what I hit, so you get 10 minutes to clean this out, which is more than enough time. So here, you just take this off. This is what I got out of it. So this is what it looks like, all in there. Okay, so it is pretty shitty. Crappy. Whatever. It is pretty bad in there, see, as you can see. So that's what it's filled up as. Let's dump this out, see what it looks like in there. Don't tell girlfriend that the silverware is in there while I'm doing this. She'll freak out. And probably anyone else would, but what are you gonna do, my guy? So let's wash this out. I clean this out really well. It splashes all over the place, so kind of is a pain in the butt. So it splashes everywhere, so you don't want to have fish poop all over your counter. You know what I mean? All over your sink and all over you. So it does splash a little bit while cleaning. So I just give this a quick whirl. That's it. Clean, done. You could use a brush, obviously, make it a lot more simple if you're going to use a brush. I just use my finger, and it takes me a couple seconds, and I just go like that, and now everything comes out clean. I just use my hand, because it doesn't really get stuck on there like that. So it actually comes off very easily. So I really do like this skimmer on how simple it is. So it is pretty simple, and it seems to be working at the settings that I have. So you know, you got to mess with the settings, and you got to make sure your water level is the correct height, and then you'll be good. So that's kind of what I do. So I give it a nice quick clean. Now I'm done. That's it. How long did that take me? I don't know, 30 seconds, a minute. So I'm done. This looks brand new. This looks pretty much brand new now, so it's pretty much good to go. And then I'm just going to stick it right back on the protein skimmer like that. Boom. You could probably hit the button and maybe make it go out of, you know, feeding mode or this mode or, you know, cleaning mode, and maybe it'll start up again. I never tried that. Maybe I'll try that later. But yeah, here it goes. That's it. Let's put this back on. Let's get this on. And then all I do is just take this, and then we just pretty much just like, you know, pop it right back on the, pop it right back on. That's it. So let's watch this. You go like this. Come over here. Simple. And you just go like that. Place it right back on. Done. And now it's in place. And now I'm done. And it should go on. Right now it's off. Like I said, I hit that button. Let's see if I hit this button again, it turns back on. Ready? Oh, it does. It does. Perfect. Okay, it's back on. It's running. There it is. It's bubbling. See it? It's bubbling up now. And it's working. Okay. So that's it. That's an update on the Comline DC skimmer that I got. Because I saw it had a lot of views, so it seemed like people would want to know more about it or be interested about it. So if you have any questions or comments or tips or tricks, make sure you post them down below. I would love to know. And I'll answer them as quick as possible and all this other stuff. All right? Subscribe to my channel. I'm always putting updated stuff on for stuff that I buy throughout my house. I'm working on the reef tank, so that's going to help people out. There's my little Tang Amanda sticking her head out in the right corner, but she went back in. So, yeah, that's it. Have a good one. Everyone enjoy. And stay safe. Bye-bye.